This is the official color. Famitsu's bonus sticker remover liquid. Jaleco is candy plastic.
Candy plastic.
When it deteriorates, it cracks like candy. It cracks like candy. This one is deteriorated. It might break. Scary. I don't want to open Jaleco. It's already cracked. Scary. The clip broke. It made a snapping sound. See, it cracked. I shouldn't have opened it. Oh, a crack formed. This is bad. It's over. Oh, a crack formed. Damn. It's fused together. Both sides are exposed copper. Needs replating. Flux makes soldering easier. 60 pins, front and back. Desoldering braid. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Front and back. Shiny. Wonderful. Avoid peeling the circuit pattern. Zombie fluid. Spread it on. Expose it to UV light. Welcome back. This should last a long time. For ABS. Not just surface bonding. Fuses tightly. Apply. Apply. Hold for a while. This is the worst. Last piece. All pieces are here. Thin soldering iron. Make a groove. Fast curing UV resin. Pour UV resin into the groove. Thin coating. Cure the resin. The cracked area is solid now. The cracked area is fixed. Melamine sponge. The surface is intact. Powder. Cleaning mask. The clip is reattached. The crack is no longer visible. This was the broken part, almost unnoticeable now. Magic liquid. Plating lasts longer. Okay, it fits. It cracked again. A crack formed.
Candy plastic.
Remove discoloration first. Cure with UV light. The crack is less noticeable, but 1985. Candy plastic is the best.
Junk body.